Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. Today I'm happy to be sharing with you 672 Minna Street, unit number H. This is a one-bedroom, one-bathroom apartment in the Soma area, very close to mid-market and many of the shops and businesses that populate there. So this does have multiple windows, so there's lots of sun shining through on the sunny days, and of course these are double pane windows, which is really nice because that keeps the sound out, the warmth, and wooden floors. These floors are tile here. You have a nice spacious kitchen, gas range, refrigerator, tall ceilings. You definitely feel the ceiling height as you come in, and that's a full-size counter there as well. And then here you have the bedroom. Nice carpeted flooring, very soft under your feet. Little closet right here, and then bathroom. We are accepting applications. This is October of 2024. One thing I would like to point out is there are two doors that exit into the hallway, which definitely gives residents a flexibility if you so have a need to have a guest over and you want them sleeping in this room or whatever have you. So there's definitely some options around that. And so let's happy to talk to you and answer any other questions. We are also, you can hear the Blue Angels right above. You can we also have laundry downstairs, coin-operated laundry, 2 machines, so 2 washers and 2 dryers as well. All right, thanks a lot.